Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My Mobile on your Samsung phone. So if your phone ever gets lost, you can actually find it really quick with this setting turned on. So very first thing you're going to do is go into your setting app. Here I'm swiping up to get to my settings. And now once you're in your setting, you're going to scroll down and look for security and privacy. Now under security and privacy, you should see under the security section a section that says lost device protection. So we're going to click on that. And once you click on lost device protection, you'll see an option that says find my mobile. So we're going to click on that. And now in order to turn this feature on, we need to allow this phone to be found. So with this setting turned on, it's going to go ahead and allow us to locate the device if it ever is lost. Additionally, there are other options you can set up. For example, if you want to send the last location, and if you want offline finding, which is locating your phone even if it's offline, and it'll help other find it as well. These settings are really helpful for you if you want to use this feature, because if your phone ever gets lost, all of this will help. And even there's an option for encrypted offline location. For basically security is that if your offline location of your device is sent to smart things by devices belong to other Galaxy users, so you can use that as well. But you can go ahead and see which option works for you. But by default, if you at the minimum you want to allow this phone to be found so that you can locate it if it's ever lost. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.